siguro I'd just like to ask categorically sa bahagi po ng prosecution, do you think it would be unconstitutional for the Senate to dismiss the trial before hearing the impeachment case? Kasi if that is possible, given na if some senator introduces a motion to dismiss the trial and they entertain it, under that scenario, would it be unconstitutional for the Senate to dismiss the trial?
Our position has always been, and this dates back to last year, that the function and duty of the Senate is to conduct a trial, to hear the evidence and then come up with a decision. And therefore, in answer to your question, yun lang dapat ang maaring gawin ng ating Senado bilang impeachment court. Yan ang position po namin.
Just to be clear, it would go against the letter and the spirit of the Constitution if dismiss at this point, even before the trial itself, even before the presentation of evidence and evaluation of evidence.
Di ho ba magbobotohan yan kung acquitted or convicted, no? What if yung binabanggit kanina na tanong, kung merong magmotion at humiling ng botohan kaagad? Dahil I understand, sa acquittal mababa lang 9 lang kinakailangan What if magkaroon po ng ganong senaryo?
Of course, we cannot rule out such a scenario, pero tututulan po talaga ng todo yan ng prosecution because we are maintaining very firmly yung aming position na wala pong nakasabi sa saligang batas na pwede na siyang i-dismiss at this stage. Ang nakasabi doon is after trial, kailangan desisyonan. Ano ba? Conviction? Guilty or innocent? Conviction or acquittal? So tututulan po namin kung merong ganyang scenario na may mag-move na ipa-dismiss na based, for example, dun sa mga grounds na renage doon sa answer. Hindi po pwede yan para sa amin. So tututulan po talaga namin and we will take or exhaust available remedy kung sakaling mangyari yan. Thank you.
If I may just add, yung decision po to waive further presentation of evidence, it's on the prosecution. So the defense cannot impose on us.
Pahabol lang. Sa mga private prosecutors, may napipisilo ba kayo kung ano articles sa tingin nyo yung po pwedeng mas fit kayo? Doon sa 4 na articles?
At this point po, we cannot comment on that because that would already go into the merits of the case. But rest assured that we're ready to present all articles. The days leading up to the pre-trial, the prosecution team has been sifting through all available records and going over possible testimony. So we're ready po.